5 technologically advanced lightning protection products by LEC. LEC holds the patent for the Dissipation Array System, DAS, the Retractable Grounding Assembly, RGA, as well as the chem rod and many other lightning protection products. Our lightning protection products support 2 primary lightning protection standards. NFPA 780, the standard for the installation of lightning protection systems. NFPA equals National Fire Protection Association UL 96A, the standard for installation requirements for lightning protection systems. UL equals Underwriters Laboratory. Let's take a look at the advantages of 5 lightning protection products by LEC. 1. The SBI, Spline Ball Ionizer, advantage, prevents most lightning strikes, minimizes damage potential, stainless steel construction, easy installation, UL listed. 2. The SBT, Spline Ball Terminal, advantage, hybrid protection, easy installation, stainless steel construction, lightweight, low wind profile, minimizes risk to property and personnel, UL listed replacement for standard air terminals. 3. The LEC advantage, hybrid protection, easy installation, stainless steel points, aluminum and copper shaft option, multiple length options, lightweight, low wind profile, minimizes risk to property and personnel. 4. The EPA advantage, maximizes surface exposure minimizing weight, all 316 stainless steel construction making them corrosion resistant, costs a fraction of competitive products, smooth surface minimizes risk of corona and arc discharge from point. 5. The RGA advantage. The RGA 750 is pretensioned at the factory, so no on-site tensioning is required. New aluminum cable originally developed for marine use greatly improves corrosion resistance and is highly resistant to hydrogen sulfide, H2S. Installation takes only 2 hours on both new and existing tanks. Permanent, reliable, low-impedance bond prevents fires triggered by lightning currents. Engineered for years of durability and reliable performance in corrosive environments and requires virtually no upkeep as compared to shunts. The RGA conforms to both API 545 and NFPA 780 recommendations and meets the API 545 requirements for a bypass conductor. The LEC advantage. Full integration of both structural and system protection is the solution to nearly $10 billion of damage and disruption to U.S. facilities each year. Increasing the application of these systems reduces damage to facilities and assets. Today's facilities demand continuing operations, downtime is not acceptable. Lightning-related disruptions and damage can be prevented with lightning protection products by LEC. Using the multiple tools and systems available today, any operation or facility can be protected from the harmful effects of lightning's. Contact details. Address, 6687 Arapahoe Road, Boulder, Colorado 80303, USA. Email, info@lecglobal.com. Contact number, 303-447-2828. Website, https://www.lightningprotection.com. Facebook, https://www.facebook.com/lightning-eliminators/Twitter, https://twitter.com/lightningprotect. LinkedIn, https://www.linkedin.com/company/206536 DRK = Taya. YouTube, https://www.youtube.com/user/lightning-eliminators